Okay guys, to make my baked beans, I am using Bush's baked beans. This is a 7-pound 5-ounce can of Bush's baked beans. This may look like a lot of beans guys, but I am making this for our family potluck barbecue tomorrow for the 4th. So just sharing with you guys on how I make this. This is one of the versions of my homemade baked beans that I make. I do have like 3, but yeah, anyway. I'm going in with 1 cup of barbecue sauce. I'm going in with a 1/2 cup of mustard and also a 1/2 cup of barbecue sauce, okay? So we want to go ahead and just get that mixed up, and I will post this full recipe down below for you to get as well. So here I'm making up some brown sugar because I ran out, so I'm just making up enough as I go. So in my bowl here I have 2 cups of white sugar, and I also have 3 tablespoons of molasses, and that's pretty much all brown sugar is. It's sugar and molasses mixed, okay? So if you want a darker version, just go ahead and cut back on the molasses. So now I'm going in with my hand here, and that's just to get those molasses clumps mixed in with the brown sugar until you reach this consistency right here. You guys can see I made dark brown sugar. If you guys want to make light, again, just cut back on the molasses. Just probably go in with like a tablespoon or something. So now what I forgot to add in here is my Worcestershire sauce. And I love the taste that this give my beans, or sometimes I would add this or liquid smoke, but this is what I have on hand. But again, this is totally optional. You don't have to do this, okay? But this is what I like to go in with. So now I'm adding in my brown sugar, and this is 1 cup of brown sugar that I'm adding in here, and we're going to go ahead and just give that a good mix. And again guys, the recipe will be down in the description box for you to get. So now I'm going in with my meat mixture. This is a 3 meat mixture that I make up. I add in ground beef, Italian sausage links, and ground Italian sausage, sweet onion, jalapeños, peppers. I go in with Serrano peppers. But again, I'll post everything down below for you to get. So now, just like with everything else, we're going to go ahead and get this mixed in. And then I'm going to get this covered and get it into the oven. I have my oven set to 375, and we're going to bake this for about 30 minutes and then take the aluminum foil off and then bake it for 20. So here we are here 30 minutes later. So I'm going to go ahead and just get the aluminum foil off. And do you guys see how my beans have thickened up? So I'm going to go ahead and then get this back into the oven uncovered and let it bake for 20 minutes. And here we are here guys. You see how beautiful my beans turned out. So I'm just going to go ahead and just let these rest a bit before I go on with my aluminum foil. And yeah, I'm going to get this into the fridge and take it to the barbecue tomorrow. So I hope you guys enjoyed my video. If you did, please give my video a thumbs up. Support my channel by subscribing. And until next time, you guys enjoy the rest of your evening, and you take care. Bye.